Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Grammar and punctuation, age 9 plus, key stage 2, focusing on grammar skills. Let's open the book. In my previous lectures, I have explained unit number 1 and 2. Today I am going to start unit number 3, that is about verb tenses. Verb tenses. Do you know what is a tense? Tense means time. An aspect of verb which tells the time of an action is called tense. So, in this lecture, we will discuss past tense. Verbs, tenses, past tense. Okay. Verbs written in past tense tell us what happened some time ago. Okay. Live, call, come. These are the verbs. These are the verbs. The rich man lived in a mansion. He called his servant. In these sentences, the rich man lived in a mansion. What is verb in this sentence? The verb is lived. Okay. We have used second form of the verb in past tense, in simple past tense, or we can say in past indefinite tense. We use second form of the verb in affirmative sentences. So lived is the second form of the verb and it indicates the past. The rich man lived in a mansion. He called his servant. So called is, again, it's a verb. And it's second form of the verb, okay? And this is past indefinite tense. Affirmative sentence of past indefinite tense. He called his servant. Some verbs add d or ed to make the past tense. These are called regular verbs, alright? The servant came in. What is verb in this sentence? Came. Came is the verb. And this is the second form of the verb. Come, came, and come. So this is second form of the verb. Second form of come. Some verbs change the middle vowel sound to make the past tense. Sometimes we change this. So that is known as irregular verbs. Okay. Next one is the servant was frightened. The servant was frightened. Some verbs change completely to make the past tense. Alright, some verbs change completely to make the past tense. So what you have learned in today's lecture? In past tense, we use second form of the verb, and verbs written in the past tense tell us what happened some time ago. We use second form of the verb in affirmative sentences of simple past tense, and simple past tense is also known as past indefinite tense. I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.